Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Icy and I am your Veganation. So for today, I am going to show you how to cook rice the Asian way. It is very easy and this video is very quick, so don't forget to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on any step. And towards the end of it, don't forget to hit on like and subscribe to see more videos like this. So for the first step, what you need to do is to scoop out the amount of rice that you want to cook. And then after that, what you need to do is to properly wash it by putting water over it. Wash it using your bare hand. Give it a rinse. You gotta repeat this process at least twice. Doing this eliminates the solubles or the starch, the extra starch that's actually left in the rice when it was drying. And it makes the rice more fragrant as well. Alright, after doing that, the next step is to properly measure the water that we need to cook the rice. So all you gotta do is actually to even out the rice on the pan that you're using. And then using your hand, we will use this line over here in your middle finger as the measure of the level of water. So when you put the water later on, you'll have to stick your finger at the top of the rice like this and make sure that the water level is up to the first line of it. Okay, so just to show you, pour in some water. Even out the rice at the bottom bit. Use your hand or use your finger, middle finger. Make sure that the water level is just on that line. And then your rice is ready to be cooked.